Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to delete histories in Google Chrome. Yes. Now go to video. First going to video, click Chrome. Once you click Chrome, the page will be appear like this. And here you can see the three dot icon in the topmost right corner. Click this icon. Once you click this pop-up menu will be appear like this. In this setting option is that, click the setting option and slightly scroll down. In this advanced setting you can see privacy is that, click the privacy settings, and here you want to click clear browsing data is that. Once you click this menu will be appear like this, and you want to click the last 24 hours, last 7 days, like that. I'm going to click last 24 hours, and it consists of 11.9 MB cached images. And click clear data, and it's clear right now. And in these advanced settings it consists of browsing histories, cookies and site data, cached image and files are there. In this you want to click clear data, and it is clearing right now. All data is clear right now. So this is how to clear data and delete histories in Google Chrome. So thanks for watching. For more videos stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.